How to fix screen flickering or tearing when playing games on your Windows 10 or 11. Hey everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we'll be discussing two such methods to fix this issue. The method 1 would be updating or reinstalling your graphics driver. This can solve issues related to screen flickering or tearing. So for this, first of all, open Device Manager, press Win plus X and select Device Manager. This will prompt a confirmation box, tap on Yes and it will open Device Manager. Now locate Display Adapter section, right-click on your graphics driver and select Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for updated driver software. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. If this does not work, we can try uninstalling the current driver. For this as well, you have to right-click on the display adapter and click on Uninstall. Now restart your computer. After the reinstallation and restart, it should automatically install the driver. If it does not, you can just come back to Device Manager and click on Action. There you will have a button called as Scan for Hardware Changes. This will also help to install or reinstall the driver. Or you could just manually download the latest driver from the manufacturer's website. Likewise, method 2 is adjusting VSync or enable G-Sync FreeSync. If you are using NVIDIA Control Panel, right-click on the desktop, go to NVIDIA Control Panel, go to Manage 3D Settings, enable VSync in Global Settings. Likewise, for AMD users, you can just right-click on the desktop and select AMD software. Now go to Settings and go to Display and toggle on the option of AMD FreeSync. And this should also help. Likewise, for additional tips, make sure to disable the full screen optimization and change monitor refresh rate. For this, you can go to Settings, go to System and then on Display. From here, you can disable the full screen optimization. Now you can go to change monitor refresh rate. For this, go to Additional Display Settings and select Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. From here, go to the Monitor tab and select Different Refresh Rate from the drop-down menu, and this should help. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.